The markets have dropped sharply after billions of dollars were liquidated and sold off. But what will happen to the markets in general and Shiba Inu in particular next? You cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu in any way or if you own any SHIB tokens. What recent news is there about Shiba Inu coins? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But before we get into our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on April 14th. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 2220 units, with $1.7 billion in trading activity over the course of the previous day. SHIB's price has decreased by 10%. The token is presently the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $13 billion. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today. Let's first discuss the current market flush and examine the larger cryptocurrency sector. This is the reason for the significant decline in Bitcoin, Ethereum, SHIB, and the whole market. A severe downturn in the cryptocurrency market caused the global crypto market value to drop by almost 5%, reaching a low of $2.33 trillion. The latest sell-off in the cryptocurrency market resulted in a loss of approximately $250 billion in market value overall, due to a number of variables, including options expiration, past Bitcoin halving patterns, macroeconomic concerns, and technical chart weakness. The price of Bitcoin fell from $70,978 to $64,273. Ethereum's price fell by 7% as a result of the sell-off in the cryptocurrency market caused by Bitcoin. As a result, all coins dropped by 20 to 40%. Among the most liquidated cryptocurrencies during the last 48 hours are meme coins. Options expiration sparked a sell-off in the cryptocurrency market, which was further exacerbated by other reasons. In fact, early this week, the crypto market began to exhibit symptoms of weakness ahead of the US CPI report. According to CoinGape, the increase in Bitcoin price to $72,000 was a range-bound move in reaction to growing influx of Bitcoin ETFs and demand for long positions because of the fear of a Bitcoin halving. Prominent analysts including Arthur Hayes, Peter Brandt, and Benjamin Cowen all foresaw a collapse. If the price of Bitcoin follows a similar chart pattern seen during past Bitcoin halving occurrences and the most recent spot Bitcoin ETF launch, there may be a market meltdown. Cowen forecast that after the halving, the price of Bitcoin may fall below $60,000. After options expire, CoinGape also projected a decline in the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin. The accompanying chart clearly illustrates how the crypto market sell-off began with the new UTC options expiration. The causes were tempered mood after the hotter CPI, dominating sell transactions in the futures market amid low volumes and lower maximum pain points than the trading prices. Due to unfavorable attitude after major banks' earnings announcements and geopolitical concerns in the Middle East, the price of Bitcoin breached important support levels around 70,468 and prolonged the sell-off. On Friday, JP Morgan Chase's stock dropped 6.47%. The US dollar index rose beyond 106, the highest level since early November, as a result of the global macroeconomic developments, and the US 10-year Treasury yield surged to a 6-month high of 4.585%. Since Bitcoin swings against the DXY and Treasury rates, an increase in both has resulted in a drop in the price of Bitcoin to $64,000 and a collapse of the cryptocurrency market. When the whales return, a 570% increase of inflow stuns of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency with a dog motive, has caused a 570% increase in big holder inflows, which are linked to the money entering whale addresses. According to Into the Block statistics, Shiba Inu big holder inflows increased 400% from 104.81 billion SHIB on April 11 to 2.66 trillion SHIB on April 12. A crucial indicator that emphasizes whale activity also shows an increase in tandem with the major holders' influx. With 8.63 trillion SHIB moved in big transactions throughout the course of the past day, Shiba Inu's large transaction volume increased by 276%. In monetary terms, this came to $212.56 million. Increases in transaction volumes indicate that institutional players, or whales, are actively involved in the market. The spike in substantial holder inflows might be explained by a few different circumstances. Increased purchasing activity from whales or huge holders, who may be purchasing SHIB tokens on exchanges and then storing them in cold storage, is one scenario. Another possibility is that there are these influx surges. Often come before price bottoms, suggesting that whales are buying SHIB at a discount as a result of the present market collapse. This may mean that they are deliberately preparing for future gains and are waiting for a price rebound. Given that the market is going through a crypto carnage with massive losses on all fronts, the timing of the spike in key whale measures is noteworthy. SHIB price declines 12%. As risk aversion moved from conventional markets to digital assets, cryptocurrencies declined towards the weekend. The Fed's plans to lower rates this year were dashed by an unexpectedly high CPI number, which also raised fears that the pace of success in containing rising prices may be decreasing. As volatility returns to the cryptocurrency market, most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are presently selling at a loss. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Despite the recent decline, a market analyst sees reasons that will drive SHIB to 3,100 units. Yesterday saw one of the worst collapses in the cryptocurrency market this year, with most coins suffering double-digit losses over the course of a day. Shiba Inu has had a sharp decline in price during this slump, falling 10% on the previous day alone. These developments might lead to a rise in Shiba Inu. Market observers, however, believe that this decline is just a retest of Shiba Inu's lows, which might trigger a significant price increase. Maximilian disclosed in his most recent trading perspective research that despite the ongoing decline, Shiba bulls have persisted in holding onto their tokens. This is an indicator of an impending recovery. In an earlier analysis, the Crypto Basic highlighted this tendency, noting that the majority of Shiba Inu shark and whale addresses continued to keep their holdings. Maximilian said that SHIB had stayed stable inside a rising channel on the 4-hour chart, citing data from an accompanying chart. Shiba Inu notices a rise in volume. Maximilian's confidence is further supported by the volume's steady growth, which indicates that market participants' interest in Shiba Inu has not diminished. Surprisingly, SHIB's transaction volume has increased by 45% in the past day to $1.7 billion, or 10.41% of its market capitalization. Furthermore, according to Coin Glass statistics, Shiba Inu's derivatives volume increased by a staggering 201% in only one day, reaching $369.97 million. Despite a 21.79% decline in open interest to $66 million as traders liquidate their holdings in the wake of the market fall and spike in liquidations, this higher volume nevertheless occurs. Apart from the increase in volume, Maximilian attested to the fact that Shiba Inu's general upward trend in terms of market adjustment has persisted. He emphasized the need for SHIB to protect the newly compromised channel support at 2,700 units. Now for the major narrative of today's video. Burn rate of Shiba Inu tokens skyrockets. Shiba Inu tokens have seen substantial adjustments recently in accordance with shifts in the market's value. Data from Shiba indicates that a significant rise in the quantity of tokens submitted for burning has occurred. It's even more intriguing since this growth coincides with a price decrease. Significant acceleration of the SHIB token burn rate. Over the last week, there has been a discernible decrease in the pace at which tokens are burned, coinciding with a downturn in the coin's market value. The amount of SHIB tokens reserved for cryptocurrency destruction dropped dramatically, which in turn caused the burning rate to drop overall. But in the days that followed, things took a sharp turn for the worst. The chief developer of the project was significantly responsible for the dramatic growth in the burning rate of Shiba Inu tokens, which rank among the top 20 in the world of cryptocurrencies. Shiba's data indicates that a significant rise in the quantity of tokens transferred to the burning address occurred. 87.76 million SHIB tokens were burnt in a single day, a remarkable rise of 48,554.74% in the burning rate over earlier data. Only 2 wallets worth of transactions were involved in this noteworthy rise. In charge of burning transactions. On Wednesday, 61.9 million tokens were burned by one wallet. Then 25.85 million more SHIB tokens were added to the burning process by the second wallet. The bustle of the day before provides a strong contrast to this sudden surge. Merely 180,375 tokens were burnt the day before. Additionally, there was a significant 99.59% drop in the burning rate. Rather than deliberate attempts by the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency team or shifts in community mood, it seems that organic forces are the cause of this most recent growth. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers say that they will not be selling SHIB for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB holdings in the following comments area. Let's give the SHIB Bureau credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section.